All right, you guys, so I am changing this little nook area into something special, and I was like moving everything around, and I set up everything. I was like, yo, I could be filming this. This is content. Okay, so I know this is a bit much, like we don't even have an animal in there anymore, but it's been sitting in that space right there for quite some time, and I just want to do something different. I saw this video and it really inspired me. I'll link the video in the description of like my dream house and decor.
You're watching Homeworthy, where we believe every home has a story. Be sure to visit our website, homeworthy.com, to discover amazing furniture, art, accessories, and more, all handpicked by our editors to help transform your house into a home. All of the items are inspired by the episodes you see here on Homeworthy. Enjoy!
And like I said, I saw this show and I was just like, okay, I know that I could do something with something that I have. I could put it together, flip it, rub it on down, and create a space that I love. So this was over there. I was gonna push it back. I was like, I am not gonna backtrack and do that. I'm just gonna start filming from where I'm at. So y'all see I have a lot of work to do of, you know, organizing and getting this area. I'm gonna probably paint this and do something else with this in the space because I needed a table under that picture right there. So it's gonna work out. You know, you got to use what you have, and it'll help fill in the space. I can push the couch up a little bit farther. Yeah, things are just kind of all over the place, but yeah, I have to work on that. I need to repaint that. I need to add curtains, and it's just a lot of stuff that I need to do, but I'm working on some things today. I have some more painting that I need to finish. Y'all see my border isn't complete as of yet, so we'll be tackling all of that this week. And I put my large curtains back up, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it. I'm thinking about doing this room in a really deep gray, so I want to start working on the bathroom. I think I'm gonna do redo this bathroom before I hit my bedroom. But yeah, that's that. And then yeah, I got some stuff to move around. I took some bottles and kind of refigurated the kitchen. We'll probably go over that in a little bit. But yeah, so let me put this area together and show you what I've done. I just like cleaned the floor, and I don't know, is that something on the floor? Yeah, something on the floor. I have to get that up. But yeah, so I cleaned the mirror. This mirror has had no love for quite some time. There's another piece of art on the other side. My mom had this made, but I just felt that it was C's for Cheryl, C-H-E-R-Y-L. So I was like, she loves me, I'm the favorite. But anywho, but yeah, so that's kind of what I'm doing. I'm gonna create this entryway and make it something special, and I'm excited about it. So let's get into it. wanting to have when you first walk in. Let me get this stuff away. Go back around.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's a lot, you know?
Yeah, that's a lot. Now I know I'm gonna need a rug here, you guys, so I'm gonna have to find something, you know, like a runner to match. I saw something at Ross, so I'll probably go back and pick that up, but I want something long enough to kind of run to meet about, you know, right up in here, like maybe a runner that runs till about here to just give it some more texture. But yeah, so far I love it. I have like a little fragrance burner right on the opposite wall. But I think this turned out really nice. Let me turn on the other light. That light is not as bright as this one that shines over, but this is the new entryway. I love it. I think it's very inviting. Yeah, like it turned out beautiful. Like it was only 3 pieces. The mirror was already there. Let me take this out. The stand. The mirror was already there. Love the mirror. That's one of my mom's pieces. And then I have this little plant that I got from the Goodwill, and I just painted it in like a 2D effect. And this is one of the coffee tables from out of the living room. I gotta get another table to go there, but I just wanted to see what a table would look like. And then, like I said, I needed to get like a runner to run through the hallway. But it turned out really great. Like, all it takes is an idea. It's very sexy, it's very inviting, and I'm probably gonna put like some coffee table books on that table or something other. But yeah, once we have the rug tied in, it's gonna look really nice. This is just something, like I said, I was watching television, I was like, you know what, I can do something really fancy with this entryway, and it is complete. So just a little sneak peek of the kitchen. I basically just kind of took out all of the clutter around the table because I got a smaller table so that we have more room, but we had so much clutter around the table. So I took one of my makeup shelves in my beauty room to give us more storage because we're just running out of room in our pantry, you know, whatever. So it gets filled up very quickly. So I needed, you know, just some stuff for the kids to grab and go, cereal. I have some more containers and stuff coming because I wanted to kind of have containers everywhere. So this is just still a work in progress. I wanted to have something in the center of the table, something very beautiful to tie in with the entryway. So maybe find something of that similarity to go on the table. I wanted to cover the chairs, wanted to cover them in white, or maybe get some Parson chairs. I'll put a picture of some chairs that I have in mind. Let me know what you think about that, because I don't want to do too much gray. Maybe I should get white chairs, but girl, white and kids, I don't know about that, but you know, that's what cleaner's for. And I wanted to put something in this area. I'm not sure if it's going to be a plant or artwork. And then we're going to change out the blinds and make them white, and maybe add some, I don't know, some curtains. I don't know about curtains in the kitchen. Just have to see once we get that far, and then maybe put some type of plant or something nice in that corner at the top. But yeah, so that's what I've done to the kitchen. It's a little bit different. So yeah, guys, if you have any questions or concerns, please leave them in the comment section. I would love to hear what you think about this little area. And yeah, thank you for watching. I love you guys. And with that being said, peace and chicken grease. All right, you guys, bye. No, I'm just playing. Bye, y'all.
play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it.